In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with a Miro board. Whether you're brand new to Miro or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through opening a board, navigating the canvas, adding content, and collaborating in real time, all in a clear and practical way. Let's start from the dashboard. If you already have a board, simply select it to open and pick up where you left off. If you're starting fresh, click the New Board button. That will create a blank canvas you can build on right away. Don't worry about making everything perfect at the start. You can always adjust as you go. Once your board is open, get comfortable with moving around the canvas. To zoom in and out, use your mouse wheel or trackpad. Zooming helps you jump from the big picture to the small details seamlessly. If you ever feel lost, slowly zoom out to regain your bearings and then zoom back in on the area you want to focus on. To pan across the board, click and drag with the right mouse button or use 2 fingers on a trackpad. Panning is like sliding a sheet of paper around your desk. No content changes, you're just changing your viewpoint. Now let's add content. Everything you need is in the left toolbar. Click to add sticky notes for quick ideas, text boxes for longer explanations, shapes to structure information, images to illustrate your point, or connectors to show relationships between items. After you add something, drag it to position it exactly where you want it on the board. If you need to refine it, use the handles around the object to resize and place items near each other to create visual groupings that make your board easier to read. Sticky notes are great for brainstorming, text boxes help with clarity, shapes create structure, and connectors let you map processes or link concepts so your audience can follow the logic. As you work, remember that Miro is designed for real-time collaboration. When teammates are in the same board, you'll see their cursors moving and edits appearing live. You can co-create without stepping on each other's toes, and it's a great way to align quickly. If you're presenting ideas, zoom to the right area beforehand so everyone sees the most relevant content immediately. That's the core of working with a Miro board. Open or create a board, navigate smoothly, add and arrange content, and collaborate live. With these essentials, you can brainstorm, plan, or present with confidence. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your next board.